Merry Christmas! Where are I made some peppermint tea. Whoa. The trees are talking to each other.
Actually, I was wondering if I could play one of
Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and welcome to Vlogmas. Today, we are going to a town called Mooresville, and it is for the classic Christmas. Hold on, let me check and see what it is. I'm gonna be honest, it's Friday night. I've been working all day. I just finished working. I'm exhausted. I am so exhausted. I'm going because I feel like I need fresh air because I haven't left the house all day today because I've been sitting in front of my computer. What's it called? Sitting in front of my computer. Why can I not pull this up anymore? I can't find the flyer right now, but it is like a ton of lights. There's ice skating tonight. There's also like a life-size snow globe and some other things that are happening. So I'm really tired and I kind of don't want to go, but since this is the only night that they're doing all of this, we're gonna go. And we are going to stop off at the office first, and they're doing like a chili cook-off and they have snacks and stuff. So we're gonna go up there first, and then we're gonna head on over to Mooresville and check out their classic Christmas is what I believe it's called. And yeah, I'm excited, I'm tired, but we're gonna get through this and we're gonna have a ton of fun, and you guys are coming along, so let's do this.
guys. Hey, that was good. Hey, you did a little better that time. Thank you. Okay, well, hey, in this next song, I want you. Hey, hey, actually, I was wondering if I could play one of my songs this time. Would that be okay?
How long is this gonna take?
Real quick. And you guys are in luck too, because I'm gonna get this party started.
Oh, turn it off. Hey, turn it off.
Wait.
You can't do that. Listen, this is a Christmas show. These are Christmas lights. You're a Christmas tree. Okay? You understand it? Christmas? We gotta play a Christmas song now.
Christmas time.
It just go out like that.
You're listening to 90.5 FM in the James Family Christmas Light Spectacular. Merry Christmas from our family to you and yours. The Insurance
Merry
Center
Christmas!
Main Street down give you peace of mind. And they wish you the peace of the season. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Really pretty.
I could tell.
All right, man. This has just been too much fun. I gotta be honest.
Yeah, it's been fun, you know. And hey, listen, I gave you a hard time earlier, but I think you're doing a good job now.
Yeah, I must say, well, this is actually kind of awkward. I don't even know your name. No, that's
the trees are talking to each other.
I think I have it.
That is so
I guess
cute.
for treating this, it's not even really important.
Well, you know, I can be tree number one.
Wait, well, I was actually kind of feeling tree number one, you know, and you had the tree number two kind of vibe. So
I'm on the left side.
Left
to right. You read left to right.
You know, those are just different. I mean,
those are just books.
Okay, well, you know what? The name of this next song is. Okay, they don't even care what the name of the song is. Let's just play the song.
This is too cute. Whoa!
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping.
Look at those snowmen! They're so cute! I was like, okay, we're gonna leave the last one. I just can't leave. It's so cute. It's so pretty. It sounds like taking care of business. Okay, so we made it back home. It is 9:38. We've been here for a little bit. It was okay. I'm not gonna lie, like, I was expecting it to be a little more. I'm gonna tell you now because I took a screenshot of it. It's called A Classic Christmas in Mooresville. Life-size snow globe, Santa visits, carolers, which I didn't see any carolers. 175,000 twinkling lights, animated projected light show, ice skating, musical performances. So I just expected it to be a lot more than what it was. The ice skating rink was so small and there was a huge line, and Ava did not want to ice skate, Kentrell did, so I was like, if you're not both going, then we're just not gonna do it. And then we went over to this other place, and it was like the downtown area, and there was just people, and it was nice, but I kept going, where are the lights? Like, there were, you know, displays, it was decorated, it was really nice. But I guess I was just like disappointed, and I kept complaining, and then there was like this snow globe plasticky thing that like kids could get into, so you can get into, but that was like a really long line. And then the what was it called? Hold on. The animated projected light show, that was like, I didn't even try to film it because it was not anything that was thrilling, I guess. The little projected, it was like you could barely see it. And then I just kept complaining. We ran to the bathroom. I was like, and then Kentrell was like, y'all need to stop complaining, because me and Ava, we were so complaining about, and my thing was, I was trying to find, like, I'm like, where are these 170,000 lights? And then it literally says that this is a place, like one of Charlotte's top places to go to for Christmas lights. Where are they? So we got in the car, and I was just like, look, I'm just gonna put it in the GPS, this exact address. And so I did that, and then it took us to where you guys saw the trees, and I was like, okay. It was a 30-minute drive. It's rainy outside today. It was drizzling the whole time. It was chilly, it was cold. it wasn't an ideal night, but I will say that I'm still glad that I went, because I was still gonna go to Mooresville because of the light display with the trees and everything that are set to music. But I'm glad that I did go tonight, because then I was able to see their downtown is beautiful. It's like more of an upscale downtown. Like I think of like Augusta's downtown was like, it wasn't like rundown, but like I sure didn't want to be there at night, I'll tell you that much. But this downtown was just, it was really nice, and it was really nicely decorated, and some of the stores that were there had nicely decorated windows and stuff like that. So I was just a negative Nancy tonight, and I was like, I don't have a vlog, I don't have any content, I don't know what to do, I really want to see these lights, but I can't find them. And once we did, I was like, oh, okay, this was totally worth the drive. It was really foggy out tonight too, so it was really hard to see when I was driving. So that was another thing. It took about 30 minutes to get there. And yeah, but anyways, that was the night. We started at the apartment complex office and we did movie night. They were playing Home Alone. The kids ate some chili. They, what else? They had like, it was so nice. The way that my apartment complex is set up and they do things, it's so amazing. So they had these chilies all set up, and then they had like tortilla chips and crackers and cheese and sour cream. And then they had like a little hot chocolate station, and they had sugar cookies out. Contrell ate the last one. And then they gave us these snacks, which was so cute and so nice. They had them in these little bags. So this one says movie night, and then this one says cinema. And look at all that we got. So we got some popcorn, 3 Pepsis, got a Starburst. These are like full-size candies too, man. Some, what is this? Peanut butter M&Ms. This one is movie theater butter. This one is, I've never tried either of these two. This one I know I love. But this one I'm interested to try, the sweet and salty kettle corn. And then there's another Starburst. So that was really nice in my apartment complex too, to do that for their residents. And then I have, right now I'm currently drinking some tea because I got some hot chocolate down at the office today and I didn't really like it. So I came home and I made some peppermint tea. My hair is like super frizzy and drizzled, like we got drizzled on. I will say I was very impressed with the turnout for it being the kind of night that it was. Like I said, it was really foggy when we were driving and it was drizzly pretty much the whole time. It was kind of cold and then you'd start walking and you'd get kind of hot. But yeah, I mean, it was a really good turnout and they had all these little places where you can take pictures. It was really, when I look at the whole thing, it was really nice and really nicely set up and it was really well organized. I was just dead set on finding the lights with the little, that were to music, the thing with the trees and everything. And I think that's why I was like getting frustrated because I was like, there's no sign pointing to that. I keep like dropping tea on myself. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was probably pretty short, but like I said, there wasn't really much. I don't like to vlog too much when there's a ton of people around, because it's hard to not get everyone. And you know, I don't just want to get a bunch of people, like random people in my videos. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you are near Mooresville, I would definitely say, you know, it would be something fun to go check out. The little tree thing, kind of make it like a family night where you go get some hot chocolate and maybe get, I don't know, some snacks and just kind of sit there and just enjoy, because the radio station was really cool and it was really funny and it was like a legit kind of show thing where the trees were talking to each other and the things were talking. It was just really cool. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. All right, love you guys. Have an amazing day and I will see you tomorrow. I was about to say in the next one, but I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
No way.